Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mercedes-Me for EV battery preconditioning prompts, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Mercedes-Benz vehicle is compatible with the Mercedes-Me app. Download the Mercedes-Me app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you do not already have one. You will need to enter your personal details, including your name and email address. After entering your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the app and log in using your new credentials. Next, you need to add your vehicle to your account. To do this, select the Add Vehicle option within the app. Enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN, found on your car's registration or dashboard. Follow the prompts to link your vehicle to your account securely. Once your vehicle is linked, navigate to the Settings or Preferences section of the app. Look for the option labeled Battery Preconditioning within the settings. Enable battery preconditioning by toggling the option on. You may need to set preferences for specific charging times or temperature settings. After setting your preferences, ensure the changes are saved. Now, you will receive notifications and prompts regarding battery preconditioning. Make sure your vehicle is connected to the charging station for prompts to activate. Finally, check the app regularly for updates and notifications from Mercedes-Me. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.